Hello guys, so today we are going to create AWS free tier account, and I'll give you all the basic necessary steps required to create that so that you can utilize all the resources from AWS for free for at least 12 months or for any specific duration or for any specific services. So what you have to do is first go to Google and start typing AWS free trial account. Okay, once you type that, you'll see there is a pop-up coming up saying that AWS free tier account, and once you click there, you will be redirected to the suggestions from the Google. So you need to just click on the very first one from the list, that is from aws.amazon.com/free. So if you click there, you will be redirected to their official website. Now if you want to see, you will be seeing a header saying that AWS free tier. Okay, and if you want to know more about the free tier, like types of offers which they have, you can just scroll to the bottom and you can see there are 3 types of offers. First is the free trial. Okay, so free trial is very specific to the one if you want to use any specific services for a specified duration. Like for example, if you want to use SageMaker for 2 months, or AppStream for 40 months, or Lightsail for 750 hours, that's the limited duration that they have. Okay, that's the very first one, with free trials. Second one is 12 months free. So in 12 months free, what you can do is you can access almost all services, but yeah, definitely for a specified duration or specified number of you can say usage, I would say. So if you see that you can use EC2 instances for 750 hours per month, and S3 has 5 GB of standard storage, and similarly other services like you can see from the list. Okay, third one is always free. So the always free option is the one which you can use it for unlimited time, and that's free forever. Okay, so if you can see, these are the list of services which would be free forever for you. Okay, so you can take the types of offer according to your need. Okay, so let's head back to creating the first free account. So you just need to click on create a free account, and once you click that, you will be redirected to the website where you can sign up for that. So put your email ID there. Okay, and if whatever account name you want to create, so just copy any unique account name and click on verify email address. So once you click on there, you just need to wait for the verification code to arrive. So once you have the verification code in your email, just type in that and click on verify. Once you click on verify, you will be seeing that it's you. Your email ID has been successfully verified. Now you just have to put some strong password there. Whatever you want to put, you can use that. So I'm just putting one password there now. Okay, that's step 1 of 5. Okay, so once you're done, so I just need to maybe change the password there, so I'll be just using it now. So for that, okay, so I've just changed my password. Okay, I think it's not allowing me to take these passwords. I have to put maybe some weird passwords. Okay, okay, so I think this should work. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just now go next, and then how do you plan your service, business or personal? So you need to select personal. Put your full name. Like for me, it'll just put my full name. I'll put some number there. Okay, so that we can be recognizable, and you can select your country there, and some address. Okay, I'm just filling in the details there. Okay, now I have read. Continue. I'll put just a valid number there. Sorry. Okay, now click on continue. Once you click on continue, you have to just put in your credit card details, and once you have put your credit card details, and you click on verify, and then you will be redirected that your account has been created. So once your account has been created, what you have to do is then you have to head back to the main console again and log back in, and then you have to just click on this sign in. Okay, there, and Once you click there, you should be redirected to the website. Then you can put your email ID which you have entered there and the password which you have selected there. Next, and the password, and then you will be redirected to the page itself, okay, to the Amazon website. Okay, I hope you were able to authenticate using the steps, and if you have any questions, please drop a comment in the video. Thank you so much, guys.